My video guide will help you to remove the online scam that claims to be the message from Windows support. These pop-ups quote this fake Windows support number +1 888 843 8599. If you see these deceptive and fake alerts, do not trust them, do not tolerate whatever they tell you. Such pop-ups could be the result of some adware on your computer. So we recommend you to be very careful not to call this fake Windows support number. Don't trust these deceptive and fake alerts. Simply leave this page. We also recommend you to research your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com and download the program, install it, and then start researching your system. So Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other threats fully from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.